Hi, in this video I will show you how to mute words on the Twitter. So the process is pretty simple. So first of all you have to open your Twitter mobile application and log into your account. Once you will log into your account, now you have to click on your profile icon on the left top. Once you will click on it, now you have to click on the settings and the privacy. Here, tap on it, and once you will here, now you have to click on the privacy and the safety on the third one. Now scroll up and you will see different options here. You will see muted words here. Tap on it. Now you will see a plus icon on the right bottom. Tap on it. Now you can add word here or phrase like hi, and you have to tap on this one and click on the save. So once you will do it, this word will be mute on the Twitter account. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.